Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Best Advice Ever channel, where no advice is the best advice. So, that being said, this is another day in Adventures in Survival Land. I know we're still prepping, we're getting things, stuff like that, right? That's what we do. What I do. All right, so I made a video earlier and then realized that my address, clear as day, had been caught. And I'm like, I don't really want people to know where I live. That's just kind of one of those things. Everyone wants to be private, right? All right, so take two on this. Now, update on organizing and cleaning. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna flip over. There we go. So these are some packages I got out here. I had some morning coffee, opened them. Thought some of the glass had broken. It didn't. So these are going to be some treasures that I'm going to keep and split with my friends if they want them. My footstool is right there. Footstool, yay. And then my rice, holding down my umbrella, which is doing fabulous and keeping everything nice and shady so I can take breaks out here. Here's my doohickey dude there. If you want to know where to get this, not sponsored. It is Lee Country, Leigh. Anyway, that's where I got this stuff off of Amazon. They're a company in Texas, family owned, and not too bad. It was a little trial to get it together, but overall wasn't too bad. So anyway, I cleaned off all of this shelving of the the nail stuff that I had over here. So that's been cleared off. That's been moved forward. We'll see that in a minute. Now, what I have here is I've got study notes, and these are all going to be, my pharmacy technician stuff. So all this. Whether I become a pharmacy technician or not, I still need to, while I'm doing the job, I do need to know, I need to know what I'm doing, right? So this is going to be a daily routine for me that I have not started yet. I'll be starting the Monday after I come back to work. These guys are for my little gnome figurines. I have some out when I do my bedroom little doohickey dude, you'll see that. But these are the ones I haven't brought out since I moved. So there you go. Now this guy here, not a sponsor, KiwiCo. But I did have these boxes for my nieces and nephews, and there was one for my friend's little boy that I had gotten two of, and stuff like that. And anyway, these are really good. So they have different things that you can do for different ages, and they are fabulous. I have 9 nieces and nephews. I can't afford them. I have to pick and choose when I do things, and sometimes it's years before I do anything because I'm a single person, I got things to get, like a bag. Anyway, not the point of the story. So right now, this guy here is going to be housing all of my things I'm going to be moving later. This is going to go to the closet later. This will go to the closet later. I don't know where yet, but it will, because I got to reorganize that. But this is for survival bracelets. This over here is for Kumahimo things. I still like them. I got rid of a lot of stuff that I had, but I found I really, really wanted to do this again, so I bought the stuff, and decided, small amount, use that, whatever. Shouldn't have gotten rid of all the other things because it was a small business, but I was drowning in all the things. I was I was living in a storeroom. Everything was neat and tidy. It's just there was so much, Anyway, so this is all my Sizzix stuff where I cut fabrics and I cut the vinyls and leathers for the earrings and bows and different things like that. And this is also what I used to cut my holsters with and my eye pillows and all that great stuff, right? So that's that guy, cutting boards and everything. This guy here, these are like my little incenses, and things like that. Make the place smell good. These are some jewelry items right here. I've already gone through all this stuff. I am going to start braiding my hair and putting beads in it. I don't know when, but one day I will. We're going to find out how that goes. This right here is a used Dooney and Burke bag. I don't know if it's authentic or not, but it looks like it might be. Maybe from the 80s, 70s. This has a bunch of earrings that I keep in it. This has more stuff in here This is office stuff. Gloves down there. And anyway, so that's what's in there. But they're not going to stay here. They're just here for now so I can get them off of the table that is a complete mess. This is a little bit of a disaster area. I pulled this stuff off of the shelves so that I can go through it, get rid of things, donate, whatever. There's things in here. I haven't gone through them yet. This is my Easter box, so I'm keeping that for next year. Waste not, want not, right? These are some journals or whatever. I'm either going to keep or take the stuff out and then just get rid of them and keep what I've written. These are some old massage things I had, more notes, my angel therapy books and stuff, because I absolutely believe in all the angels and all that stuff, so we're good. Now, this guy here has to be built. Don't know when, but he is going to be built. This over here is my empty new lunch bag. One of my empty backpacks. I might keep it. I might just put that in for the giveaway thing. My witch's hat, which I wear every once in a while. I don't like hats, but I like the concept, right? These are just some holding places for things right now until I find a place for them. My shoes, electrical cord, small table. Now this is where all of my nail stuff has gone right now. So we got things up there, we got things there, we have things here, we got things here. The nail plates, I got so many nail plates. They're organized by the number, and I've written down what they are. So now all I gotta do is put them in sleeves, and I've got to decide how I want to do that. If it's going to be by genre, by, you know, in order, blah blah. But this is what they're going to look like. So one of these is like right here. That's like a Halloween theme, but it's like a dragon type thing or whatever. What is this one? This one still has a blue film on it. Can't really see it too well, but that's like a wizard thing, Harry Potter, another Harry Potter thing. Anyway, you get the idea. And then of course, you know, the outside. And that one was last year's Halloween one. Love the Ghost. I think that was last year. It might have been the year before. No, that was definitely last year. And that one is, no, this was last year's. This was last year's. This was the year before last. This was the Christmas one. I think that was yeah, so that was a Christmas one. So anyway, so you've got things. Some nails I started. Haven't done anything with it yet, but, you know, they're hanging out, waiting for me. Boxes, more things, and more things, and just more things. Anyway, so this over here is a pile of stuff that is going to be stored, given away, whatever. That's going to go in the closet. This bag here is going to be turned into my exercise stuff bag, because there's my exercise stuff that I don't use. That's going to be part of my routine. This is stuff I'm giving to my friend Matt and my other friend Belle, so they don't know what all that stuff is. More water down there, headphones, medals. So like I'll do like a virtual marathon or whatever. So I log the time that I go to work or I ride to the store or whatever it is, right? And then I'll have it on my app, and then it logs it, and so once it completes, I get a medal that gets sent to me. Headphones, can't have too many headphones. Project that I need to build. And this is the kitchen, which is lovely, except I've got giveaway stuff. I got to take that to the Goodwill down the road. More things separated, more things that need to be taken care of. These are things that are to keep. Food pantry. I've got books in there, or oracle cards. These are all, I love these shelves. They're so fabulous. This is all nice and neat now. I can see what I have. I'll make some pancakes tomorrow. Snacky things, and cleaning supplies. Oh, there's my extra totes that don't have anything in them. I need to take those out so I can use them. And then crafty things that are here that need to go not there. Okay, so anyway, we have that. All right, so that is the plan for now. So I'm getting some headway. Right now I'm waiting. I've got my eggs I've boiled out and everything. I'm going to make a nice hearty salad. It's going to be fabulous. Get that guy eaten because this is getting close to 12 o'clock right now. So it's still morning, but it's getting close to 12. So I'm going to get that guy, have some heartiness, and maybe take a little 30-minute nap, get a yoga nidra in there, get my brain freshed, and come back and get back to it, because there are things that need to go away. Things I'm holding on to that need to go away, things that I need to keep and have structured and actually start using. All right, so I will see you guys later. We'll have a chit chat this evening, see where things are, and live your best life. And thanks for being fabulous. All right, peace.